Hey my friends, welcome back to another video. NTrade here, and today I want to show you a few tricks that you can use to generate profit in OTC market on weekends. This doesn't involve any tools, any indicators. It's just simple observation that will help you to go into the market. And again, I can mention a million times the tools that we have. However, nothing will really beat you being able to spot these situations in the market without any help, with just your own two eyes, and execute on them with confidence. So if you want to gain that confidence, the best way is to be in my group to trade with me. We do trade breakdowns every single day. We have trading sessions from Monday to Sunday, so hop in, join me. And again, the tools are still great asset to your trading journey, so check them out at NTrade_pro or click the link in the description below. I appreciate you, and now let's delve into the market and let's make some money. All right, so most of you know that I really like spotting a level, trading off of reversal. It is really simple, and a lot of the times it will work out, but sometimes you might actually need extra confirmation to enter the trade before you can actually guarantee that that reversal will happen. And still, a lot of the times the price just might not respect the level, go above it, and that way you will be eliminated. So the trick is to really find a stronger structure on the higher time frame, and I already talked about it multiple times, but people don't listen. And once you find it, there is really almost most of your trades that you place will guarantee a positive result. Like right here, right, I can see already a pattern of a price rejecting at this area right here. And now what I do here is that I spot that most likely we're gonna see a retest at this level, and once that happens, we going to move lower. However, here I still see the opportunity to get my buy position in, so this is exactly why I place a buy position on this trade. But I already know that the overall tendency is going to be a sell position. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna grab all this money right here, wait for the price to go higher, and then I'm going to secure a sell position trade. So this is exactly what you should be doing. Again, the retest is happening. It's all about timing, and we are going to get some trades here, and there you go. This is exactly what I needed. This is a little bit of luck here. However, I still want to go in and to place my sell positions now, and this is how simply you can do it on just one chart. You don't really need a lot of charts, as long as you find that one chart where you can see a possibility to execute this type of trade. And again, I place a little bit less because the ideal situation would be here for the price to go higher. So even if I lose these three trades, I'm not worried, because ideally for me, I would want the price to go all the way into this level, so you can trade these narrow levels right here where the price is most likely going to pull back into the trend line, and then place more money when it happens. Again, you place a buy position during the pullback, so you get the money from the pullback, and then after the pullback is done, you're looking to enter a sell position off of it. So that way you can juggle one chart and make the most out of all the trades that you are making. And here again, we are getting pretty close here. We lose one trade, but we get the other two, which already puts us at a massive advantage during this trading session, because we did how many trades? We did 7 trades and took only 1 loss, which is already a great profitable trade for us. Now the next thing that you do, you just mark out the next step for yourself. You see how the next candle behaves, you sit it out. You don't really want to place more trades right now, because you want to assess the situation. Is it going to be a breakout? Is it going to be another strong rejection with a move into the trend line? This is why it is important to learn how to mark these levels, how to make the best out of these type of situations. So we're gonna sit here for a little bit, we're gonna see, and we don't really know yet where the price will go, so we want to look for a different chart and just do a couple more trades. Again, not every single time you're gonna place a trade off of the level. Sometimes you just really have to find a good trending market and place a trade, but usually the trick is to just spot a level, to look at the higher time frame at like 5 minutes, see where the price is the most active, and then execute on that. So this is exactly what we're gonna do right now. Let's look through a couple of these and then execute our final trade. And again, we already went to the market, we made over $4,000 just like that, and I'm mostly already hitting my goal right here, so I don't need a lot, I just need like a smaller trade right here. So far I'm not really seeing anything that is really capturing my my attention here. But again, this is telling you that you need a little bit of time, and actually this still might be very doable, so I'm gonna place a buy position here, just 1,000 to hit my goal. I do believe that we're still going to see quite a bit of rejection to the downside, and I want to do something else here. As the price drops down, I'm gonna place another 1k right here, and we're gonna see if we're actually able to secure at least one of these. Ideally, I would want to see the price to break through this minor level right here, go all the way higher here, and that would, we do still have 20 seconds, so I might have to place actually more trades here at the bottom. So I'm gonna place another 4 trades here, and this is risky because the price really can break out here, because we've already seen that happening here. So this can be a really dangerous trade for me that will wipe out most of the profit. The goal is to really be confident in the decisions that you're making when you're making them. The market is going to try to sway you the other way. The market is going to convince you that your conviction is wrong, that you are not performing the right analysis, and a lot of the times you really have to understand the market structure. You really have to understand where the price is moving to make these decisions and to be confident in placing 4,000, 5,000 on a trade. Again, I did take 2 losses right here, and I'm not saying that every single trade that you see is going to be perfectly going according to the plan, right? Sometimes you're gonna be eliminated in the last second. It happened to me multiple times on stream. But when you know what type of price action you're going to see and you are pretty damn sure that it's going to happen, you can execute the trades like this. So we are done in 4 minutes. We are literally went into the market, didn't use any indicators, and we executed all of our trades on one chart. We found one spot that really resonated with us, that really showed us that we can work with this with these constant pullbacks into these levels, and we executed on them. And you can see we placed the trades in different directions. We had buy position, we have sell position, and just like that, we are coming out with $6,000 of profit in less than 5 minutes. So guys, if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to understand the price movement and have the ability to place these trades, because there are always going to be many opportunities to execute your trades. For example, you will find many levels just within this singular chart where you can place trades and get the most profit. Then make sure to join my trading group. We do, again, daily trading sessions. You are always going to be engulfed with trading. You will always have the opportunity to make money while trading with me, so your trades are going to be more safer. On top of that, we have trading tools. Again, I would have placed a buy position here, but I was busy talking. But again, this is me going back to talking about there are going to be many possibilities within this simple chart, one chart that you can execute on. So click that link in the description below. Make sure to check it out. I appreciate you all for joining, guys. This means a lot. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. We have a brand new extension for Google Chrome that you can get for yourself and trade with it. All you need to do is simply install it in your Google Chrome, highlight the area that you want the tool to analyze, and it will give you a suggested position and an analysis for the trade. It's a great hub for those who are learning to trade by themselves, but also want a little bit of extra confirmation on the decisions that they make. So check it out. I appreciate you, and as always, I will catch you in the next one.